Gonna do good morning. I married from Moncano last year. And the girl is now sleeping around with men, including my brothers.
Oh, Papa.
He don't descend. Hey, na true Wetin him talk.
No, most.
He don't descend WhatsApp messages. When him wife they chat with a person, say hi, how are you doing? He said this is what she's doing as she went back to their place. She doesn't know that I'm seeing all of her messages because she used to make use of my phone to chat and forgot to log out. Oganedu, I don't delete her number so that I can move on with my life. See the messages. Are you going to come outside tonight? It's like
what's inside the gates.
It's like I should come, baby. Hey. Wow, like they even put baby. I should come, baby. This one say, he say I love you. He say I love you. He say I love you. He say I love you.
I feel like a chick.
Wait, Sam.
It's not that you come out.
He say I love you. Like, I feel like coming back now. He say, oh my God, thank you, baby. He goes say, okay, I love you too. I feel like coming back. Hey. To collect food. This one cause say my baby. Hey, hi baby. I'm at church. Good night. He can put love emoji. Then okay, baby, take care. Love you. Hey, another person wife. I don't know which one is. You don't know. What do you want? What do you want? A kiss? Okay, baby. Now, hey, see you. Me too. Happy New Year, baby. Happy New Year. Just which
that's this one here.
I am coming home this morning. Okay, baby. Okay, baby. Now, no, not now. At night. Wow, really? Okay. Should I come and eat rice? Maybe, baby. I'm hungry. I'm waiting for you, baby. How many love will you give me? Don't be shy. See you at night. How many love will you give me? Wow. Thank you. I'm happy now. Hey. Okay, baby. For you, I will not cry again. Hey, Jesus is Lord. Hey, God. I love you so much, baby. Good night. Sleep well. Love you too. My mom did not allow me to come outside. I'm sorry, baby. I love you so much. See you tomorrow, baby. Hey! Chineke me.
Hey! This is what we call Jembri Bajeze.
Where the voice recording? Okay, the voice recording never enter. Send the voice recording.
So, and the voice recording, you go hear what they are discussing before they will start to have.
Send the voice recording. Want to send them
before they will start to have him.
Because they will. Okay, the voice recording, you go hear what they are discussing before they will start to have in here. Hey. Nah, fair woman.
So now some wife for now will begin to check WhatsApp on Facebook.
No, man, you see, the truth is, man, all I give you. Once you begin suspect, just take action. Quick. But if you never the suspect, if you go check, you go see what thing you they find.
Heartbreak just hold you quick. Like
hook up. Hey. Nah, this one shock me.
Nah. They would have make you.
This one shock me. This one shock me. Anyway, my oga, you dey ask whether divorce is a sin. Well, I no want talk make some second God where they around, where no Bible, where assistant Jesus make them come begin me. So me I go just keep quiet. So the thing where me I go feel advise you now according to law, follow law, take do am. Now because you get all the evidences, you get everything, no need. And you say in don't delete the woman number. Like saying the woman don't come out from your house already. He delete her number. It didn't delete her. So the thing, but and okay, you suppose they lucky. The thing when you be say you suppose to thank God for Nana say, una never even born pikin.
Pikin never come.
Pikin never come. I did be pikin don't come now. You go get something where go tie you with the girl forever. But this one will not get pikin, so you dey free. So just move on with your life. Just move on.
Just last day here when them collab.
He never reach 1 year.
Never reach 1 year. What did she define? That's why you need to be sure these girls don't ready. Because some girls
My
are
brother,
not ready to be somebody's wife.
not every girl ready to marry. That is the
Some
truth.
of our boys to the force them. Will you marry me?
And some boys too, then they by force these girls, emotional blackmail for the girl to marry you. The
you
girl
can't go
come
engage
marry
the
you.
girl where everybody, the girl don't get a choice to say no. You can't go collect the thing.
But Nedu, don't be surprised. Don't be surprised. This is what a lot of men do now on a daily basis.
They just married last year.
Just last year here. Oh.
Just last year here.
Let me say you never start on sleeping with people before they marry now.
He go done they do am now. If he they do am now without thinking twice, he done they do am before they
So
marry.
I hope
You
that
never
the divorce
noticed.
is not the same.
My brother,
Some people they
even,
divorce after 2 weeks, so don't
my
worry.
brother, I don't know why una they believe say divorce na sin. Now where they write am say divorce na sin, I need make una
We don't
show
talk
me.
about this thing couple of times.
Who don't talk am tire?
Well,
Go Deuteronomy 24. Go read them there. You go see am where they say you fit divorce. E dey Bible. Some of una go put mouth now and take talk say his Old Testament. Okay, go tear the Old Testament come out, carry on the New Testament they read.
just last year.
Just last year, yeah. My brother, you see that thing where they talk, whether not from Imo State the girl come, whether not from Lagos State or from Enugu, my brother, person way bad. There's nothing you can do about it. You just married last year. I'm not sure say they don't even
Poke
born.
here and there.
Hello, my brother. Well done. No, now they do they talk to you. All of us today here. Hello. Hello.
Hello,
My brother, how you doing? Now they do they talk.
are they fine?
You send us WhatsApp message now. Okay? I've been.
Yes.
And brother, we know verse so. This your wife who you marry. How many years now don't they for marriage?
My just last year.
When? So una never even born pikin.
Oh yeah.
Hey. Wait, first of all, before you begin talk, how you take no say true she dey sleep around, even they sleep with your brother, because how you take no, how you take confirm am?
Actually, I recorded the voice record of the person. The constitution.
I not hear you talk well, sir.
I recorded them with my phone.
How where you take they record them?
Because I have the information. Some people told me.
Okay, you can't go record that. You can't go set yourself to record them. Wait. Which kind record na audio? I been a video.
No, audio.
Okay.
Audio record.
Okay. Now you confront her, you drag her, make her for na talk. You ask her whether wetin she do na whether wetin you say na true. You talk to her.
Yeah, she denied it. And I done that one. So the thing also continues. Even my brother also testified the one that did it. So
Your brother tell you say he sleep with her.
yes.
Hey, wait, I don't understand. How your brother tell you this kind thing? If brother sleep with brother wife, then they hide them. How in contact you ask him? How in contact get mind come waka meet you say, brother, I sleep with your wife. Do your works. How?
Yeah, because now she they go meet them.
No, now she they go meet them.
Yeah.
Okay, this is not
Before
pure.
marriage,
Before marriage or after marriage?
After marriage.
But brother, you know what you go do for me? Text me your wife number. Text them or WhatsApp am. Text them now. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I'm listening.
I know, because this thing, the way the guy they even talk himself, he not talk him as if say,
Who in wife with them?
I was as if saying sure. My brother, you wear your wife the poke around, you go the Chris now. I now back.
Comfort. Yeah.
He say he then tell him he record audio. How? You drop your phone here where they do. She made me. Or what? No, now I dey try understand. Or Mokuna help me understand.
Okay, I don't the processor for my issue.
It not
correct
clear.
now.
It not clear.
I'm trying to have the. You
It not clear.
Not clear.
Deuteronomy, somebody does a message now. Say Deuteronomy 24 verse 1 says, when a man has taken a wife and married her, and it come to pass that she find no favor in her eyes, because he had found some uncleannesses in her, then let him write her a bill of divorcement and give it in her hand and send her out of his house. Divorce the Bible. Who can they lie give una say God hate divorce?
Okay.
Who they lie give una? And verse 2 say, and when she is departed out of the house, she may go and be another man's wife. According to what this person writes, divorce is not a sin. It is not a sin.
Okay, they do. I beg if you call the
Deuteronomy 24 verse 1.
Make them not come call you Antichrist.
Not be me.
I talk about before a couple of times.
No, and you see, you get one question why they ask. When I go say he's only a Muslim that can do second there, second abuse, second uko, or say he go fit marry one. And Titi, why they laugh?
Even marry more than one wife is still the Bible.
Now, see, they don't say now only Muslim fit marry 4 wives. Anybody who say only Muslim fit marry 1 wife, I dey always ask them one question. Now, one God will they serve? Muslim and Christian, they go say yes, we serve one God. Okay, if now one God will they serve, why he be say that one God approve for Muslim to marry 4? That same one God cause say no for Christian.
But the Muslim oneself, you have to take care of your wives.
Yes.
If you know, you take care
we
of
read that
them
for Bible
equally,
the other day now.
you know, if you
So if you marry a second wife, you must they give the first wife. When
Yes.
they give the second wife,
Yes,
they fall
he
it.
did there.
if you don't get the power for that, you know, if you do.
If you don't get the power for that, not do am.
All the Bible now.
Everybody just they do their own.
What you talk about?
Everybody just they choose what in them one believe. This one say read Luke 16:18. Maybe it does say I am God and I hate divorce. Now you see the thing we not understand. What be the context of that message
At that time.
at that time? You go see them, then go to his New Testament. Go tear Old Testament. Read them.
It is wrong for you to divorce your wife so that you can marry another. That is adultery. And when you take that one you lusted after as your wife and contribute to the breakup of our marriage, you commit adultery again.
You see now.
They say if you break up now, if you leave one for one. So that means
See,
if you marry
Wetin be the thing where they write for the first one? If you see uncleanliness in her, read the see, not just read one part of Bible, leave the other one. Ask yourself, why is they different from here? Can't they different from here?
why Luke talk this one?
Why Luke talk this one and Deuteronomy talk this one? Wetin be the context where them two they talk am?
Context. Exactly.
It means in a context. By context, it means say e get reason why. Maybe na some people then they tell this one and some people they tell that one.
Exactly.
If you want to read that Deuteronomy, read Deuteronomy 24, 1 to 3. Read them, reach 3. Make you understand. Read Luke on. Read them, make you understand too.
Full dose.
Full dose of everything. If you want divorce, go ahead, oh. Nothing concern me, oh. If you not one marry more than one wife, that one concern you, oh. But if woman they kill you for house, he they sleep around, my brother, leave them.
Awesome though.
What the Bible okay, wait. So I go marry somebody now because you they tell me say, oh, Bible hate God hate divorce. Oh, they come they kill me, I'll come sit down there.
I can't watch you. Go just come out, go my pocket, come back.
Even God no give you
wow.
brain for momo.
Even for court, when you go court, court go tell you there are 2 major grounds on which say you feel divorce: infidelity and threat to life. Infidelity and threat to life. Infidelity meaning say when your wife begin mapoke outside and the same person want kill you. That is it. Now what in law even talk? Man, no go talk Bible before I go call me Antichrist. Say even organ do even for Muslim accept divorce, but not through right channel. I want to ask something. They said the Bible is written from the inspiration of the Holy Spirit, Abi. Now, say that the Holy Spirit now give inspiration to write the Bible. Now, the question why they ask now say that Holy Spirit will give inspiration to write the Bible, it don't stop to talk. No, I'm just question.
No.
They talk every day.
It talk every day, which means new things when not even they the Bible. You see they talk am. So why we can't believe say nah, I don't talk at that and so he end there? No. Think am. Me, I'm not a pastor. Man, I not follow what you talk. Do what you want to do. Before now, come talk say na me.
Everybody don't send Bible passages now.
Everybody don't send me Bible passage now. Before person go talk say this Nedu is an antichrist. Because I am not. I just dey talk my own. I beg. I just got to beg now. Now wait. Now disclaimer. I'm not a pastor. Now wait till I feel. Now I talk. No, now Nedu they talk to you. All of us today here. Hello. Hello.
Hello?
My brother, how you doing? Now Nedu they talk.
Are they fine?
You send us WhatsApp message now, okay? I've been
Yes.
I'm brother, we know vessel. This your wife who you marry. How many years now don't they for marriage?
My just last year.
When? So una never even born pikin.
Oh, yeah.
Hey! Wait, first of all, before you begin talk, how you take no say true she dey sleep around, even they sleep with your brother? Because how you take no? How you take confirm am?
Actually, I recorded the voice record of the person. The conflict.
I not hear you. Talk where, sir. Talk where, sir.
I recorded them with my phone.
Where you take they record them?
Because I have the information. Some people told me.
Okay, you can't go record that. You can't go set yourself to record them. Wait. Which kind of record now? Audio? I been a video.
No, audio.
Okay.
Audio record.
Okay. Now you confront her. You drag her. Make two of una talk. You ask her whether Wetin she do now. Whether Wetin you say now true. You talk to her.
Yeah, she denied it. And I done that one. So the thing also continues. Even my brother also testified the one that did it. So
your brother tell you say he sleep with her.
yes.
Hey, wait, I don't understand. How your brother tell you this kind of thing? If brother sleep with brother wife, then they hide them. How in contact you ask him? How in contact get mine come waka meet you say, brother, I sleep with your wife. Do your works. How?
Because now she they go meet them.
Oh, now she they go meet them.
Yeah.
Okay, this is not
Before
pure.
marriage,
Before marriage or after marriage?
After marriage.
Good morning.
Sandra from Ogun State.
Sandra, talk to us.
I was wondering, why will you know what they cause why women they always cheat on their husband?
I be man, no.
I got be woman.
I be man, no. I don't know.
Because I don't understand. I say you get one woman for this my side. 4 children, no. You get one guy with just pass and I just they talk within us, but she they talk within house. She say, this guy go hands and a machine gun go be helele.
Chineke me.
I say, what kind of talk is this one?
Chineke me.
So as I ask, what do you talk? Mommy, what do you talk? He say, not the me she dey talk to a man, not verse, not the me she dey talk to. I say, So what I go advise the man to say, if you did Wetin Bible talk, Bible says you catch your wife, if you forgive, you forgive. But if you not forgive, let her go. Period. Because no kind man go see that kind of thing. If you say go forgive, I no go forgive your wife.
Yeah.
But if you use Jesus' hand, say you go forgive, fine. But if you no fit, let her go. Let her go. No be difficult.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, ma. Thank you. Hello, we're on the phone line.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yes.
Yes. From Jedu.
Jedeka, talk to us.
One thing I want to say, make the man just leave the woman. Go in his own way. That one not the wife. If let's say them push her into that marriage.
Maybe she true no one even marry the guy, abi?
Yeah, they push her to marry. Maybe the man get money. If say get money, they push her make go marry. Not the wife.
Okay.
It's too early. Thank God says you never even get belay.
He never even get belay, never go too far.
Wetin him go even they say, thank God say this thing happen like this. Please thanking God. But you never do anything already. No, don't worry.
All right, thank you very much. On top WhatsApp, this one talk say, I would have preached forgiveness and reconciliation, but to since na him brother, just forgive her, but to move on. Now, I think this one talk on top WhatsApp. This one also say, Nedu, good morning, sir.
If na your right hand,
if na your right hand go make you enter hell fire, cut am. He is simply saying whatever will make you commit sin. Whatever will make you commit sin, whatever will make you commit a sin that will make you regret in life, let that thing go. If na your wife or husband want make you commit murder, please let her or she go for your peace sake. Divorce is far better than death. Chima Victor Hyacinth from Agor Palace Way. Now write this one. This one also come talk say, Oganedu, let that man move on with his life, but not be all women be the same. We not talk say women are the same. This one you don't come they find trouble again. Anyway, this one come talk say, Oganedu. But Oganedu, why is nobody talking about the brother of the man that slept with his wife? Nothing concern. You see, make una understand something one and no. If I catch my girlfriend with another man, I no get business with the man, no.
Just.
I no get business with the man.
Now with the girlfriend.
Now with the girl I get business with. So this man, in the same way, he no get business with him brother. Now him wife he get business with. Now your wife will disrespect you. Now your wife will carry the thing when he be say the talking was supposed to be for only you. Go share them. Now souvenir now. It don't turn souvenir.
And he said the brother talks that the wife now they come.
Yeah, exactly.
You know some women are like that.
Yes, now the brother talks now the wife they come. So even if the brother see me, I not believe say the man will not get any business with the brother we do him and other. So make it come go they meet other men where they sleep with the woman. But now the woman you don't know of the other person. If let's say my friend now can't do something with my girlfriend, or God forbid, nothing concern me and now the girl, you move on. I don't have your business. What kind of relationship do they have as siblings? Even after leaving this woman, he should not trust his brothers. To fear he needs to answer to the family too.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai, you did miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmouth.